Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an Animal Crossing inspired birthday sign. So I'm in Adobe Illustrator and here's my reference, the Animal Crossing logo. So let's start by writing happy birthday and making sure it's aligned to centre. I found a font online which looks a lot like the Animal Crossing font, and I will include a link to the site in the description down below. So now you can see I've decided to pick out a letter at a time in order to make sure that I can get those jaunty little angles like the original has. Now that I'm happy with alignment, let's add a have a very, and now I'm going to employ the use of the eyedropper tool in order to actually reflect that colour into both parts of the font. To create the wooden board, I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'm just going to go all the way around, trying to obviously give it a sort of margin, bit of a border all around the lettering. To ensure the shape is closed, you need to click back on that original anchor and see that little circle come up next to your cursor. Now to fill it with some colour and check that it's working, and again I'm just employing the eyedropper tool. Now I could leave it there, but I actually want to get on this roof with the clock tower. So I'm going to use the pen tool again and just draw a really simple outline shape for the roof, and use the ellipse tool to create a perfect circle, holding shift to make a perfect circle. And now, if I just move the lettering out of the way, I can use the Pathfinder Unite function and make them all one solid shape, which is going to be important later. If I finish off the spokes to this sort of this cog effect, and I do the same again, it'll be ready to use as a clipping mask. I found a cartoony style wood grain effect, and if I send it back and overlay it with my object, making sure nothing else is in the way, then I can make a clipping mask. Yeah, that's looking pretty jazzy. I like that. Let's add one more detail. If I make a second and actually I make the first darker and overlay it with a slight offset, it gives a 3D effect. The very last thing to do is actually just to cheat and use a clipping mask again to cut out the clock face for my logo, so that I can be done with this project. And if you'd like to see what I use this for, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching guys, give it a like, maybe even sub, and see you next time.